Good day folks, it's Sean here from Air Photography, and today's video is just a quick one, and what we're going to be talking about is the Insta360 Go 2. If you weren't aware, Insta360 has launched a new version of the Go 2. Now it's basically the exact same model, same specs, same features, except the new version has 64 gigabytes of internal storage. So you now have the option of purchasing the regular with 32 gigabytes, or you can purchase the high capacity model. And for many people, including myself, that is a huge upgrade. The other thing we're going to be talking about in this video is Insta360 is going to be having some pretty good Black Friday deals, including a free gift. And we'll talk about that here a little bit more in a minute. If you're a regular to my channel, you know I really like the Insta360 Go 2. I use it quite a bit for filming B-roll, behind the scenes shots. It's become a very important tool when creating my content. It's small, compact, it's not obtrusive, and although it doesn't shoot in 4K, the video quality on it is quite good. I export all my YouTube videos in 4K, so the video from the Go 2 just gets upscaled to 4K and it looks pretty good. Now I just received this new high capacity model, so we're going to take a quick look at it. And for me, I'm really happy that they did come out with this new model. For the most part, it hasn't been too big of an issue, only working with 32 gigabytes. A lot of times when using a camera like this, you're just grabbing little clips. You're not filming for hours at a time. However, the times I have noticed the limitation in the memory is usually when I'm attaching this to something like an FPV drone. I put this on my DJI FPV drone from time to time, sometimes mounted at the top to capture video, and other times mounting it behind to capture an interesting point of view perspective. You start recording and you go for your flight, and if you're flying for 10 minutes, that can eat up a lot of the memory. So having a model with 64 gigabytes of onboard storage is pretty important to me. Now, as mentioned, the internals, the specs, and the features are identical. You're basically just getting more storage capacity. There we go there. There's the camera, the new camera. Then, of course, inside the box, we have all our accessories. We have the pendant, all kinds of information, quick start guide. Couple different mounts here, including this one here, and this is my favorite. This is the one I use quite a bit. If you want to mount this small tiny camera on something like a hat, you can use this clip here, and because of the small size and weight of it, you don't even know it's there. Just mounts in there like that, and you can angle it to whatever angle you need. And of course here we have the charging case. So as you can see here, they are identical. This one I'm noticing is a little bit different. The materials on it are a little bit different. This one has more of a rubbery texture to it, but when we take a look at the cameras, the inside, they are identical. This is one camera that I highly recommend. It's not for everybody, it's not for every situation, but if you're looking for a small, compact point of view camera, this ideally is a great choice. In all honesty, I do actually prefer it over the Action 2. I do have a comparison coming up between this and the Action 2. That'll be on my channel probably in about a week or so. So if you are on the fence about which one to get, make sure you watch that video because it's got a lot of insight in it. Now, if you are thinking about purchasing one, this is the perfect time of year to do it because, of course, Black Friday is right around the corner. Insta360 is launching their Black Friday sale on the 24th. You'll be able to pick up an Insta360 Go 2 with a good discount. Of course, they're going to have all kinds of deals. And as a bonus, if you use my link down below in the description of this video to purchase your Go 2, they're going to throw in a free power mount. If you're not quite sure what this is their latest accessory for the Go 2. You can mount your Go 2 in there, lock it in, and as you can see there, it has a USB port on it, so you can feed constant power to it. So that's perfect if you're going to be doing long extended time lapses or night lapses, if you want to mount it on something like a power bank handle. But ideally, it's really great for FPV. Instead of having the camera sit straight up with the traditional mount, you can have it on its side so the weight's a little bit better balanced. And not only that, you can connect this directly to something like a computer to transfer files over. So if you do want to get this free accessory, make sure you use my link down in the description of this video. So yeah, folks, that's basically it for this video, just going over the new high capacity model. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And we'll see you in the next one.